What's up guys, my name is Madison. If you have not been to my channel before, I run a video production company here in San Diego, California. I also make vlogs and just share my experience as a creative and a videographer. Recently, I realized the zoom ring on my Sony 24-70 was getting loose and I wanted to fix it. So I went to Google and tried to find quick repairs or just how to fix it. I couldn't find a lot of videos on this, so I decided to make a video to share with you. Right now, I have the Sony FE 2.8 24-70, but I'm sure this would work also on Canons and Nikons. You just have to make sure you get the right ring size for your camera. So all I did was go to Amazon and I typed in the specific lens that I have. So Sony FE 2.8 24-70 zoom ring. And then it was like 25 bucks to get the ring. As you can begin to see here, the ring is kind of bubbling off of the zoom and it's almost like it has air bubbles underneath it. There's like a good shot of it. It kind of does that. So I'm gonna put a cap on this, go over to my table and replace it. All right, let's get this opened up. First time buying this, so I hope it's the right size. So let's get this guy opened. Not too much going on, kind of exactly what you would expect to be receiving. I'm gonna go from the smaller end to here to prevent stretching of this band. I'm gonna go around and try to loosen it. Here we go, we're almost having it off. Almost there, and okay, here we go. So this is the old ring. I've had this lens for like 4 or 5 years maybe, I don't know. It's pretty worn. I use this lens mostly. This like lives on my camera. So yeah, time to replace. Here's a comparison of the two. There's kind of a comparison. Hard to tell, but there is a difference. Old one out. Let's get this new one on. I'm gonna use the circle method here. It's actually working. This is actually working really well. Just running my finger around the side. Pretty much there. Pretty identical all around. Yeah, it's just, there's not like any track to it that would catch. I think it's pretty straightforward here, how this goes on. And there we go. That is the new zoom ring on the Sony FE 2.8 24-70. All right, I know this was a super short video, but here are the results. In person, I mean, this looks brand new, pretty much. I don't have many dings on this lens, and that was a pretty easy process. So it's like 25 bucks to get the replacement. If you have lenses and you want to just take care of them, improve them, make them look new again, I recommend doing this, and it should last you a couple more years. So thank you for clicking on this video. If you're not, please subscribe to my channel, drop a like, drop a comment. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.